When it comes to accurate and reliable land surveying services, GPS surveyors in Greenpark are the go-to professionals. These surveyors utilize advanced global positioning system (GPS) technology to accurately measure and map out land boundaries, contours, and features. With their expertise and cutting-edge equipment, they ensure that all measurements are precise and meet industry standards. Greenpark, a bustling area in Delhi, is known for its residential and commercial developments. As the demand for construction projects continues to grow in this area, the need for GPS surveyors becomes even more crucial. These professionals play a vital role in ensuring that the land is properly surveyed before any construction takes place. By using GPS technology, they can accurately determine property boundaries, identify any potential issues or obstacles, and provide detailed topographic maps. Scon Design Delhi is a well-known firm that offers professional land surveying services in Greenpark. With a team of experienced and skilled GPS surveyors, they have gained a reputation for delivering accurate and reliable results. Their expertise extends to various types of surveys, including boundary surveys, topographic surveys, and construction staking. Whether it's for residential, commercial, or industrial projects, Scon Design Delhi has the knowledge and resources to handle any surveying needs. The use of GPS technology in land surveying has revolutionized the industry. It allows surveyors to collect data with a higher degree of accuracy and efficiency compared to traditional methods. GPS surveyors in Greenpark utilize specialized GPS receivers that communicate with satellites to determine precise coordinates on the Earth's surface. This technology eliminates the need for manual measurements and significantly reduces human error. One of the main advantages of hiring GPS surveyors in Greenpark is the time and cost savings they offer. With GPS technology, surveys can be conducted more quickly and efficiently, reducing the overall project timeline. This not only saves valuable time but also minimizes costs associated with extended surveying periods. Additionally, the accuracy of GPS measurements ensures that there are no costly mistakes or rework required during the construction phase. As technology continues to advance, GPS surveying will only become more integral to the land surveying profession. With its ability to provide accurate measurements in real time, it is an invaluable tool for both surveyors and their clients. Whether it's for land development, infrastructure projects, or environmental assessments, GPS surveyors in Greenpark are equipped to handle a wide range of surveying needs. GPS surveyors play a crucial role in accurately measuring and mapping out land areas, ensuring that construction projects are executed with precision. One such company that offers top-notch GPS surveying services is Scon Design in Delhi. Located in the prestigious Greenpark area, Scon Design has established itself as a trusted name in the field of land surveying. With their team of highly skilled and experienced GPS surveyors, they provide comprehensive and reliable surveying solutions to clients in the Greenpark area and beyond. When it comes to GPS surveying,